So I found a website that will pay you from $5 all the way up to $20 per post that you type on their website. As you can see, they will pay you just like this for typing and posting on their website. And guess what? You will not even be doing the typing yourself. I'm going to show you a really simple trick to generate these posts automatically, and you don't even have to do any of the work. You just copy and paste and get paid instantly. You can totally do this from the device you're watching this video with, even if you have just a smartphone. That is all you need to get started with this website and start making money. There are a bunch of different ways to earn on this website. They will not only pay you for typing and posting on their platform, but you can also get paid for posting selfies on their website. As you can see right here, you will earn up to $50 per selfie that you upload on this website. How amazing is this? There's literally no other platform that does this, and they will pay you for every single selfie that you upload to their platform. Imagine if you uploaded 5 selfies. That would already be $250 that you would instantly get paid from this website. You can see a bunch of other users here on the platform also posting their selfies. Of course, it's not terrible looking selfies. It has to be something that can actually make the website money so that you can also make money as well. I'm going to show you exactly how to get in on this. It's absolutely free to get started. You don't have to pay anything here, but of course, make sure that you already have a PayPal account, because as you can see right here, that is exactly how you will be getting paid here on the platform. Their users here are making up to $500 per month, as they say over here. So imagine what this money could do for you if you happen to have a job, or you're a student, or you run a small business. I'm pretty sure $500 a month in extra income would go a long way for you. Right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to use this website to earn money by uploading posts and selfies on their website. So, the name of the website we are using for this method today is called adkeeps.me. It's atps.me. This platform actually pays you for doing simple side hustles on their platform, like sharing to earn, writing to earn, which is short typing jobs, and even uploading selfies to get paid. To get started, just scroll down here and click where it says Sign Up AdKeeps. I'm already signed in on my account, but of course they accept people from all over the world. Just make sure that you already have a PayPal account good and ready to go, so that as soon as you get paid, you can get your money out instantly. This right here is my balance on my account from using this website over the past couple of days. As you can see right here, I have 20,000 points plus 500 bonus points on my account right now. They're going to pay you out as soon as you hit 25,000 points or $25 on this platform, which is not terrible at all. It's really easy to earn, and I'm going to show you exactly how to rack up these points as fast as possible so that you can get paid. The first thing you want to do is go over to your dashboard area. This is where you're going to find all the different options to start earning on their platform. The first one here is Write to Earn, so you can just click on this, and it will take you over to this page that says Get Paid by Writing. Now, this website is affiliated with a bunch of different other websites that will enable you to get paid on their platform. To actually get in on this, you have to join a particular affiliate website and find an offer that you think is good for you. So, you can click here where it says Join an Affiliate. Just click on this button here that says Start AdKeeps, and it's going to take you over to this page that says Write a Story About Offer. As you can see down here, you will get paid anywhere from $5 to $20 per approved post that you type on this particular page. You can see this is where you're actually going to be able to type, and you can actually earn a lot more if you sign up as an affiliate on this website. They actually pay you up to $200 per lead that you bring to their platform if you happen to be an affiliate. I may not be able to cover this in this particular video, but type in the comments below if you want me to take you through how to sign up as an affiliate on this website to actually get paid this amount per lead that you send. Basically, how this works is that you're going to write a short copy for some certain offers that you will find inside your affiliate account. To get an affiliate offer to start writing about, you can simply go back to this page where we were at before, and you can write basically on any of these offers. All of these are affiliate offers on this website. So, for instance, let's say we chose this one over here. This one is actually a survey website that's paying $3.50 per answer. So what you want to do is copy the URL of this page up here, and we're going to go back to this page and paste that URL over here. For your story title, you can totally go ahead and use the title that you can see up here, because this is the main thing that you will see as soon as you land on this page. So we can just paste that over here. I wouldn't leave it like this. So you want to actually make it a little bit longer, make it more informative and attractive like it says over here. On your story full text block, this is where you're actually going to sell people on why they should go ahead and use this offer. You can easily find more info about the website by going over here, so I can actually just copy all of this and just paste it over here. But to make things a lot better, just so you can get paid as much as possible, I'm going to use another platform called Writer to completely rewrite my piece of text to make it a lot better. Just go to writer.me and click here, where it says Start Writing. So I'm just going to paste that text over here, and now I can simply just copy all of this and hit rephrase so that you can change this entire thing into something a lot better. There we go. It's completely changed now, and it's completely unrecognizable. I can of course do this for all the paragraphs over here. Hit rephrase, and we're basically done. Now I can copy all of this, and this is basically my entire post. I never had to do any work at all. As long as you know what the website is about, you have their URL, you have their title, and you have some pieces of text that you copied from their website. Just use writer.me to rephrase it, paste it over here, and now you can actually select a category that will tell people what this offer is about. Here you can simply put some tags to let people know exactly what this is. You can have paid surveys here, you can have survey, or just select from some of their tags over here. You can have as many tags as possible. Then, as soon as you're done, click this button over here and submit this for review. If this post is accepted, you will get paid from $5 to $20 per post immediately. Like I said before, this website will also pay you for posting selfies here on their website. This one is a bonus tip. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but to get to this page here, just go over here to your dashboard and click where it says Shoot to Earn. As you click on this, it's going to take you over to this website, which is their partner website. Here you can see that you can get paid $50 per selfie on this platform. They're actually going to connect you with some other affiliate programs that will pay you for this. As you create selfies for those platforms, you will get paid every time that you do that. It's totally free to get started with this, and of course, you don't have to pay anything to register. You can see some examples of what other people are posting here on the platform to make money. Of course, like I said, you will not be getting paid for posting ugly, low-quality selfies here. You need to post something that looks professional so that you can actually get paid for this gig. There's definitely a lot of different ways to make money here in your AdKeeps account. They even have Share to Earn and Refer to Earn. To go ahead and take advantage of all of these opportunities here on this platform. What I like about this website is that they give you a lot of different opportunities to earn, and they even connect you with other platforms to help you make money online. So, go ahead and check it out. If you have any questions about anything we've talked about so far in this video, drop your comments below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as I can.